Protein shakes and meal replacement drinks are a staple for athletes and active individuals who prioritize convenient, high-quality protein, timing around workouts, and satiety between meals. The 5 products in this comparison span whey isolate powders and ready-to-drink options, offering a mix of isolate purity, flavor variety, and macro profiles.
Product number 1. Now Foods Sports Nutrition. This Now Foods whey isolate powder delivers 25 grams of protein per serving with added BCAAs. It emphasizes purity and testing standards, now sports tested, NPA A-rated GMP. The creamy vanilla flavor aims for broad appeal, and the formulation notes 0 artificial sweeteners, aligning with clean label preferences. With 5 pounds in a resealable container, the price unknown positioning suggests strong value parity for isolates in this size class. Performance-wise, the product leverages whey protein isolate's high biological value to support muscle protein synthesis efficiently, particularly post-workout. In practice, solubility is typical for isolates, easy to mix with water or milk alternatives, though some users report minor grittiness if mixed with very cold liquids or in high-volume shakes. Digestive tolerance appears favorable for most, given the absence of concentrates and minimal extra ingredients. The 71 servings estimate, 5.8 pounds, implies solid long-run cost per serving, but actual price could shift value perception. Overall, best use scenarios include post-workout recovery with quick absorption and as a protein-forward option for those requiring clean label protein.
Product number 2. Now Foods Sports Nutrition. The creamy chocolate variant expands the same whey isolate formula to a larger 10-pound size, delivering 25 grams protein per serving with BCAAs and the same GMP and testing assurances as the vanilla version. Being kosher certified adds a dietary accessibility angle for some consumers, and the Dutch chocolate flavor is generally well regarded for masking aftertastes common in isolates. In use, this product tends to mix smoothly in kitchen blenders or shaker bottles, especially when using a medium-high shaker speed and a liquid in the 6 to 8 ounce range for a thicker texture. The larger container is ideal for dedicated lifters or households that consume protein frequently. However, logistics like bulk opening and shelf life management at home should be considered. The ingredient profile remains lean, with no artificial sweeteners, which can be a plus for taste neutrality for some, but a minus for others who prefer additional flavor boosters. Overall, this variant is a dependable, long-term isolate option with strong value per gram due to the 10-pound size. Product number 3. Boost High Protein Balanced Nutritional Drink. Boost High Protein is a ready-to-drink (RTD) option offering 20 grams of protein per 8-ounce bottle, with 27 vitamins and minerals and 250 calories per bottle. It emphasizes immune-supporting nutrients and lower sugar content compared to previous versions, marketing a no artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners claim. Pack size of 24 bottles makes it convenient for on-the-go consumption or gym bag use, and the formulation targets a balanced nutritional profile beyond protein alone. Performance-wise, RTD formats excel for convenience and consistency, particularly for breakfast substitutes or post-workout recovery when mixing a shake is impractical. The 20-gram protein per bottle is adequate for a meal replacement style beverage, but may be insufficient for some athletes during heavy training cycles who require higher protein intakes. Taste and mouthfeel are typically good for RTDs, with Boost focusing on a pleasant chocolate profile and lack of artificial additives. In terms of user experience, the 8-ounce bottle is highly portable, though the 24-bottle pack contributes to plastic waste concerns and higher upfront cost if you don't consume regularly.
Product number 4. Labrada Nutrition Lean Body High Protein Meal Replacement Shake. Lean Body High Protein is marketed as an all-in-one meal replacement shake, offering 40 grams of combined fast-release and slow-release proteins per serving, designed to support muscle growth and fat loss. The cinnamon bun flavor is highlighted as award-winning, which speaks to consumer reception of taste. The product emphasizes being free from maltodextrin, artificial colors,
aspartame, preservatives, and trans fats, aligning with cleaner ingredient expectations. In practice, the dual protein release approach can support sustained amino acid availability, making it appealing for both post-workout recovery and meal replacement during busy days. The relatively higher protein content per serving is a benefit for those prioritizing ample protein with limited calories. However, the 2.47-pound size is smaller than typical bulk powders, potentially increasing cost per serving. The absence of artificial additives is a plus for clean label seekers, and the flavor's award recognition can translate to consumer trust in taste. For those seeking a robust, full meal option in shake form, Lean Body offers a compelling balance of protein, calories, and flavor. Product number 5. All Max Nutrition Isoflex 100 Ultra Pure Whey Protein Isolate WPI Ion Charged Particle Filtration Chocolate 2 pounds, 907 grams. Isoflex 100 is a whey protein isolate product touting 90% protein content with native and intact whey fractions and non-denatured protein. The packaging highlights scoop lock technology for easier scoop retrieval and a chocolate flavor designed to balance taste with high purity. The claim of no whey concentrate positions this as a purist isolate, targeting athletes who prioritize maximum protein per gram with minimal extraneous ingredients. From a performance perspective, 27 grams per serving, as stated on the product, aligns with typical isolate dosing, though the label here shows 27 grams, which is slightly lower than some competing isolates offering 25 grams per serving. The 2-pound size is compact, making it an easy addition to a travel kit or gym bag, and the emphasis on 90% protein and non-denatured fractions support rapid absorption and protein quality. Some users may prefer more flavor variants or higher protein per scoop, while others may value the clean isolate approach and reduced carbohydrate and fat content. UPC and ingredient claims suggest a straightforward, no-nonsense protein for serious trainees.